If all you're doing is premium pricing for your Airbnbs, you're doing it wrong. First things first, introduction. My name is Chris Bonner. I've been doing this since 2018, 12 units on the portfolio, and we are still counting. Over the years, I've seen people come join this business, and then a few years down the road, or actually sometimes after 1 year down the road, they are closing business, they're done, they are tired. First of all, make a mistake of thinking that Airbnb is a get quick rich scheme. So most of the times actually will base their pricing strategies on that mentality. In this video, I'm going to explain why that kind of mentality is actually wrong, and I have proved it not to work over the years. Airbnb as a platform, it's price sensitive. Why is it price sensitive? It is trying to beat its competition. Who are its competition? The hotels around town, our clientele or the guests. These guys are big time price sensitive, so you can't afford to charge a premium price, yet you're targeting a client base which is price sensitive. You better roll with the trends. When the trends are saying you come down on prices, you better come down on the prices. When the trends are saying you can now come up with the prices, no issue, you can come up with your prices, but all you're doing is to just make sure you're running a sustainable business. You have all this information in the app. You can always know when to charge high and when to charge low. You can't just be stuck on the idea of charging a premium and being just stuck, because that is going to mean you're going to cut customers out in periods when the trends or the demand is low in your area. So what does that mean? It means your turnover in the year is actually going to be low, and when your turnover is low, it means you have less guests coming in, and when you have less guests coming in, it means you have less reviews, and when you have less reviews, it means you're going to struggle with your ranking on the Airbnb app. The other way of looking at it, if you're saying maybe most of my bookings come through direct booking, you're going to have less guests coming in, and if you have less guests coming in, it means you're going to have less referrals even for the future. So what do I recommend? Flexible or economy pricing would be the thing I would like to recommend, and just keep doing it. Yes, you might be making small margins, but the point here is you're going to keep in the business, you're going to run a sustainable business. Most of the people actually who do premium pricing, a few years down the road, they get to realize that this is not a sustainable business model. Otherwise, guys, it is what it is. Chris Bonner. Consider subscribing. I'll see you in another one. Bye.